Prime Minister Narendra Modi recently met Shiv Sena members of parliament. This meeting comes months before the Maharashtra Assembly elections. Remember, viewers, the BJP is in alliance with Eknath Shinde's Shiv Sena in the state as well as Ajit Pawar-led NCP. Sources had earlier told NewsX that BJP is eyeing to contest at least 150 seats in the assembly elections. The Bharatiya Janata Party-led NDA did suffer quite a setback in the state in the Lok Sabha polls, but they're looking to bounce back from this predicament in the assembly elections that are slated to be held later this year. Prime Minister Modi, during the meeting, emphasized that the alliance is not a political one, but is a time-tested friendship bound together by common ideals and a shared vision for India's development. And in fact, during the meeting, he also praised Maharashtra Chief Minister Eknath Shinde for working tirelessly for the progress of Maharashtra and fulfilling Balasaheb Thackeray's ideals. My colleague Mendi Garg still with us on the broadcast. Mendi, crucial meeting taken place yesterday, PM Modi meeting Shiv Sena MPs. They're of course now already commenced their strategizing as well as brainstorming for the assembly elections that are slated to take place at the end of this year.
Well, yes, Priya, ahead of Maharashtra Assembly elections, important meetings, crucial meetings have been started in the alliance of the Bharatiya Janata Party and the Shiv Sena. And yesterday, we all saw that how the Prime Minister of this country has met all the MPs of the Shiv Sena and how he posted on his X platform that this, alliance is not a political alliance, but a time-led friendship. So he specifically, said about the alliance that he shares, that the Bharatiya Janata Party shares with the Shiv Sena and Eknath Shinde's party along with the, NCP leader Ajit Pawar. So this alliance is very important for BJP because, they are targeting for a lot of seats in these assembly elections. And this Maharashtra seat is very important for the BJP in the upcoming elections also. And he also talked about the alliance and he also praised the CM of Maharashtra, Eknath Shinde, for, tirelessly working on his state and working according to the development schemes of the Bharatiya Janata Party along with the Shiv Sena's thought. And he also mentioned in his X platforms, post that this alliance works on an agenda of, the common development schemes and the common development thinking. So this is not a political alliance between both of these parties, but time-flooded friendship that has been overcome a lot of problems and have come this far and will contest the Maharashtra Assembly elections in the upcoming year and in the end of this year. Yes, Priya.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.